Hey YouTube, this is 2011 Honda Element, and here's the issue we have. Open up the door, only one light lights up. However, if you push on it, it actually works. So the issue with that is related to these switches that's inside, so I'm gonna be replacing two of them just in case. So let's go ahead and get to it. Oh, I believe the screws we have to remove two on this panel. There are a couple underneath here. There are two screws here, and actually two more screws under these covers. So let me remove these covers. In order to remove these covers, I'm actually going to be using the knife. You can use flathead screwdriver. Here we go, pop it out from that side. This side out, one out. A second one. Here we go. Here we go. This one's out. Okay, so there are two screws, one there and one on that side, okay? Also, same thing for this cover. Let me remove that cover. Oops. Okay, and two more screws. So let me get these screws out. Okay, it's out. So I'm gonna disconnect these two connectors right here and right there. I'm gonna remove this whole thing. And I believe it goes out from top to the bottom. So there's like a couple latches right there. You can see there's one latch, second latch on the side too. So we're gonna remove those latches and get this out. Okay, so this thing is out, and I believe we just slide these connectors that way and that way, because this is just the connectors. They slide in into the contacts. Let me see. Yep, that's what it is. So you just pry it out and it just pops out on the side. So this is how you get it out. So we're replacing it, this one on both sides basically. I'm gonna replace them. Here we go. Same thing with the other. I might have found the main issue with this connector actually. Do you see that contact? It has a burn mark in it. Because the replacement did not work. And I'm just thinking maybe it's related to that. Let me clean that contact up. So after cleaning that contact, on the contact side and the switch side, I kind of used my tweezers, shoveled it inside and cleaned it up, you know, metal to metal. I ended up actually not even using these, so I just reinstalled the old ones and everything's good, because I think that was the main issue. The contact was burned down a little bit. There's burn marks on it. It was just not making a contact. So before buying these, try to open it up and clean those contacts. You might get lucky. Now it's good to go. And to put this back on, you just do it this way. Because the latches are right here on this edge. Just like this. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. It will help me grow my channel. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Bye.